If there's one thing that changed the shape of India's industrial landscape in the last 2 decades, if there's one thing that changed the very concept of time, cost and convenience for industrial and infrastructure building, it is the advent of the pre-engineered steel buildings, PEBs. And responsible for having introduced this technology to India is one of the world's largest and best PEB companies, Kirby Building Systems. Kirby is a wholly owned subsidiary of Al Ghanim Industries, a Kuwait-based multi-billion-dollar conglomerate with interests in over 30 businesses including engineering, retail, automotive and industrial products, and a cross-continental commercial presence in over 40 countries worldwide, representing more than 400 premium brands and agencies in its combined domains. Kirby is the pioneer of pre-engineered buildings in India and the Middle East and has an annual capacity of 400,000 metric tons, with production facilities in Kuwait, UAE, Vietnam, and India. Kirby India's operations since 1999, when they first set up their now 100,000 metric tons per year capacity facility near Hyderabad and followed it up with a similar facility at Haridwar, have resulted not only in Kirby emerging as the top name in the local PEB market with almost 15,000 Kirby installations dotting India's industrial landscape, but it has also raised the bar of stringent quality and safety standards. The award-winning performance by Kirby has seen it also creating records of many types. Fabrication and construction of the world's single largest PEB at Chennai for Renault Nissan. One of the largest shipbuilding facilities for Pipavav Shipyard Limited. One of the fastest and yet safest installations of a gigantic manufacturing facility for MRF in Hyderabad. Delhi and Bangalore have the first metro stations in the world built using PEB technology, and it's a matter of pride that Kirby India has built them.
At Kirby, everything we do is dictated by our desire to enhance the customer experience, which is why we innovate pre-engineered buildings, not just design and fabricate them. As a result, each Kirby structure reveals an engineered solution combined with functional and aesthetic dominance.
Now recognizing the trend that indicates high investments in infrastructure requiring high-quality steel structures in a shorter span, and entering a specialty domain that's destined to rule the future, Kirby announces its entry into the field of tomorrow with Kirby Structural Steel Systems. A 150 crore rupee, 50,000 metric ton per annum world-class facility with imported machinery meeting global standards being set up at Dahej in Gujarat. Kirby Building Systems and Kirby Structural Steel Systems, designing the future by defining it.